So you found your ideal contractor. You want to know what's next? Watch this video. So in our last video, we talked a little bit about finding your ideal contractor. That would be what I like to call process 1 of the client journey. Process 2, we're going to talk about managing and setting expectations. Expectations of what, you might ask? So let's start with the budget. The number one thing that is probably most uncomfortable to talk about: money. Lots and lots of money. We're putting it into your house, so we gotta figure out how much we're willing to spend. This is where an honest and realistic budget help your project come to fruition. Setting that realistic budget, you have to think about what you're putting into your space, what the end goal is out of your space, and how long you really want it to last. If budget is top of mind, maybe, just maybe, we have to sacrifice quality of materials. Or maybe it's even better to de-scope things and take it away from the renovation. But if you have a healthy budget and you have a strong mind, we can get real creative and have fun with it. Another expectation that you might want to consider setting and managing from the beginning is quality of work and finished materials. That kind of lies with budget, right? You have to understand how much you want to spend, and then you got to figure out what level of quality you want to put into your house. What level are you expecting as the client? And does your contractor understand that? Maybe you don't want the Taj Mahal of a bathroom remodel. We have to dial it down just a touch. Lead with that. Tell us. It will help. Honest and open communication between you, the client, and your contractor will lead to a wonderful project if you're honest from the get-go. Timelines. That's another big one, guys. Some people have plans. You might have parties scheduled. You might have family events or holidays. Nobody wants a construction zone during a holiday if you're the entertaining host. So tell us from the get-go. One of the questions I like to ask all of my clients is, are we working with any type of time constraints? If you have a special party that you're planning for, tell me about it from the get. We can reverse engineer around those dates or make recommendations on starting or stopping or kicking it down what I like to call the pipeline a little bit. So start with your expectations of timeline and budget, and we're off to a good start here. Lastly, we're going to talk about managing change orders. Ooh, scary word, right? What is a change order? Well, it can be something bad or it could be something good. Hopefully it's the better of the two, right? But every so often you have an issue that you need to get fixed, or maybe you find a little extra money and you want to throw it into this other room. How does your contractor handle his change orders or her change orders? Understand that from the get-go. Manage it and be in control so that you know what to expect and when to expect it. No work should happen without your authorization as the client, so make sure you manage that expectation with your contractor. And honestly, they should be managing it with you too. I really hope this helps. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and follow us for more content.